Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting on the Meta Quest 3 and waking it. This gets you in control right away. Once done, press the right controller Oculus button to open quick settings. This is faster than navigating apps. Make sure the headset shows battery above 20% and controllers are paired, because missing power or pairing blocks returns to home. If an update or pairing prompt appears, accept it now so you won't be interrupted when you move to the home environment. You now navigate to home by selecting the home icon in quick settings or pressing the menu button on the left controller. This is the core action that transitions you out of apps. Use pointer or hand tracking to highlight the home tile, then press or pinch to confirm, because precision avoids accidental app launches. If you're inside a full-screen app, press the system button once to suspend, then choose Home. Make sure you wait for the environment to load fully before interacting further. You finish by customizing the home space. Move apps, pin favorites, and set pass-through level so your environment feels right. Once configured, exit cleanly by holding the power button to enter standby, then resume with a short press so system state stays consistent. If Home fails to load or is unresponsive, reboot the headset. Hold power 10 seconds to restart. This clears temporary glitches and usually restores normal behavior, making sure you can get back to home reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.